Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is a quick little Peachy Cheap haul and some stuff that I picked up from Amazon. And I also wanted to show you guys that I am working on organizing my ephemera the same way that Adriana and Tony had shown. I wanted to get to it, but I was just like, oh my gosh, I have so much that I had not started, but I've been doing it. I have so much more left. There's not even no Maggie Holmes here, you guys. Can you believe that? And I still have my drawer full, and I still haven't gone through my Maggie Holmes cart. But I got the Say Cheese kit from the one of the deals. I think it was from like last week from Peachy Cheap, and you get, I think it's 4 sheets. Yes, 5 sheets. So you get 5 sheets. You get this beautiful striped one. You guys know I love me my stripes. The bats, the black with the polka dots, and the purple with the spiders. And then you get this one with the circles and the black with all the little different balloons and jack-o'-lanterns. I love the sweater. Then you get the striped one and the skull heads. You get the polka dots and the pumpkins, or the jack-o'-lanterns. But you get the 5 sheets, and then you get the chipboard stickers, which this is all the ones that come in the pack. And that's only one side. It should come a little bit more, but how many pieces come in here? Oh, you get 25 pieces, not bad. But you get 2 packs of ephemera, so you get all the little kids, which I love. Look at that. So you get all the kids. There's like 28 kids there. And then you get the regular ephemera pack. But yeah, you guys, that was the Peachy Cheap deal that I received. And then you guys, to start the whole prepping of my ephemera, I ordered the Brother P Touch from Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below so you guys can check it out. I had ordered the first time I ordered the stuff to organize my ephemera, I ordered the wrong size. So this one is a little bit bigger. Let me show you guys the regular ones. So these are for the CDs. I don't know, I think these are like about 5 by 7. So they were too long. It was sticking out way too much. So now I have the bigger ones, which is good to package up stuff. I kind of like packaged up my memory dex cards that I sold in here, and then like stitched it, made it look cute. So I picked this one up. I'll have them both linked down below so you guys can check them both out. And then I ended up getting these, which is what I've been working on to organize everything. And yeah, I'm loving this little thing. I'm still trying to figure all the details that it has. There's a bunch of different fonts and styles and stuff like that, but it's super cool. And this is how I have everything so far. And these are the ones that just were randomly in a little bin that I had. And now I have to do all my Maggie Holmes. As you can see, yes, Girl Squad. I have Crepe Paper Main Squeeze, Echo Park Fashionista, Gal Meets Glam, Amy J Designs. And then I did do the Velcro just like Adriana, because I am going to have them in a drawer tucked away. So I have like random Valentine's Day. I have like 3 of those. So I did do Velcro. I just need to order some more Velcro dots because I ended up cutting them in half to kind of like save on the dots, but I still ran out. So I need to pick up some more of that. But you guys, I love this idea. I have them in this basket until I finish them all up so that I can tuck them away in a drawer. But yeah, you guys, that is my quick little video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.